Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing. I'm super excited to film this unboxing. This will be my third Apple Watch unboxing video. Before we do get started into the video, I do want to say if you guys could please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up at the end if you do decide you like it. I do want to get a little bit into before I show you guys the unboxing. I want to tell you a little bit about why I got the Series 5. I've had the Apple Watch 2, Series 3, cellular, and then this one. So the reason why I got that is the Series 5 is because my Series 3 actually shattered. Like I dropped it one time, and I've had it for a very long time. I dropped it one time and it shattered, and I already was just like wanting to get a new one anyway, so I kind of was like, oh, I'll just get a new one because I don't have insurance on the Series 3, so it's just sitting on the counter shattered, and basically money just went down the drain with that one. So I'm super excited that I got this one. I did get the Series 5 gold stainless steel with the stone sports band. I'm super excited. This one is the 40mm one, so that's very exciting for me. If you would like to see my unboxing, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm super excited to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5, and I literally just got it in the mail. Sorry if the lighting is horrible. But yeah, so it looks the same like every other box, you know, has a plastic wrap over it. So I'm just going to take that off real quick. And yeah, I'm super excited to unbox this. I've been looking forward to actually do this part, the unfolding of it. But yeah, so I'm having my fiance do this for me. Look how extra Apple is. Okay, so yeah, let's just take this out of the way. So I got the gold one. The reason why I chose the gold one is because I have the gold iPhone 11. And before they used to actually just include the band right inside of the box, but it looks like they do separate packaging now. I'm not entirely sure why, but I mean, who cares? So yeah, I think it's super cool. Look at how it comes with its own protective sleeve. I think that's really nice to include that, just in case when you're not wearing it, you could just go ahead and put that in there so your Apple Watch doesn't get all scratched up. That's at least what I'm going to use it for. I'm not sure if that was the purpose of including that in there, but who knows. So the next item in the box is just the, pamphlet on how to use the Apple Watch, but I have one before, so I don't really need that. And now there is the charger, which should have always came with one, but that charger is like super nice. And of course your traditional box, the charging box. I'm not sure what it's called. And now I'm just going to show you guys the Apple Watch band that came with it. I really like the color of it. It's like a tan, I would say, like a nude tan. I'm not sure exactly. I guess the color is called sand, I believe. I really like that color. I feel like it's just very like a neutral color that you could wear with anything and it'll look good. Which for the sizing on what I'm using for my Apple Watch, the band, I'm just going to use the medium to large one just because I don't like it to be super tight on my wrist. So yeah, I'm just going to use the regular ones that is on the left side. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put my Apple Watch bands on to the watch itself, and I'm just placing the watch on the little cover that it came with just so it doesn't get scratched up or anything, because I'm so paranoid because it's so brand new and very expensive. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put those Apple Watch bands on, and we'll take a look on how it looks after. So this is what it looks like with the bands on, and unfortunately my Apple Watch is dead, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is with my Apple Watch band on, and it's always like, so one thing that's new about these watch, do you see how it just went dim? So when you move it like this, hold on, then it's like, so it always stays on. So whether you have your arm down, it goes dim, and then you put it back up and it gets bright. So I think that's pretty cool because your watch is always on, and you don't, like with the old ones, you would have to like constantly go like that really hard. But so I think that's pretty cool that it does that. But this is an overview of what it looks like. I really like it.